Upper screws.
After opening the bonnet, remove the 4 expanding rivets from the top cover. To remove, first pull out the inner pin, and then the outer part. Then pull the cover up on the front. And then pull it out of the radiator support. Under the cover are the 4 screws, Torx 30. Remove the 4 screws.
Screws to the wheel housing liner.
There are 3 screws, Torx 25, on the side. There are 2 screws, Torx 25, per side on the underside.
Screw to the front fender.
Once the screws for the wheel arch liner have been removed, you can push it a bit to the side. And have access to the screw to the fender, Torx 25. It is screwed from bottom to top.
Bottom screws.
There are 4 screws, Torx 25, on the underside of the bumper that have to be removed.
Remove bumper.
After all screws have been removed, the bumper is first pulled out of the guide from the side. Maybe you have to help with a suitable tool to loosen the bumper from the hooks. After both sides have been loosened, the bumper can be removed a little. Now disconnect the electrics and the headlight washer system.
Fog lights.
Disconnect the fog lamp connector by pushing and pulling.
Parking sensors.
The central connector for the parking sensors is located on the left-hand side. To release the lock of the plug, put in a screwdriver at the rear end and tilt it down. This should force the lock on the front side to lift and release the plug.
Headlight washer system.
On the left side there is still the washer tank with the associated hose for the headlight washer system. Squeeze the hose coupling at the blue points and pull off. Leaking washing water can be reused. That's it. Have fun making it yourself.